Hey guys, Smelling Roses here. This adventure will take us into the Raccoon Branch Wilderness area, part of the Jefferson National Forest. It's also within the boundaries of the Mount Rogers Recreation Area. And right now we're at the Raccoon Branch campground, and we're going to take this trail out of the campground up to the summit of Dickey's Knob. And there's a pretty good overlook up there which faces towards the east. It's about 2.3 miles from the trailhead to the summit, so let's get going and check it out. Okay guys, so we're here along the trail. We're very close to the summit of Dickey Knob. I'll just mention that the summit is, if memory serves, is like 3,649 feet above sea level. The trail does not actually pass over the summit, but we're very close to it. I'm going to guess that we're maybe 50 to 75 feet in elevation below the actual summit. Trail closed. Well, it takes more than that little sign to stop smelling roses. Okay guys, so I mentioned earlier that the trail did not pass over the actual summit of Dickey Knob, which is correct, but you guys who follow my channel know that as far as I'm concerned, trails are merely a suggestion. So I bushwhacked my way up here to the summit, and lo and behold, I discovered these foundation piers from what was probably once an old fire tower. And also nearby is the geological survey marker for the summit. Does not have the elevation stamped on it, but I consulted the topo map, and it is 3,649 feet above sea level here in this area. So before I close out this video, I'd like to give a shout out to another channel that I've been following recently. I hope you guys will check them out. A couple of young people from JMU University up in Harrisonburg, Virginia. They've started a channel called Peakbaggers For Cancer, and as I understand it, their goal is to hike or visit all of the state high points for all 50 states in the United States, and I guess probably they may have a few other adventures thrown in there as well. And as the name of their channel suggests, they are dedicating all their hikes to cancer awareness. So it's a good cause, and they seem to be really great people. I've really enjoyed following their channel, and hopefully you guys will check them out as well. I'll put a link to their channel so you can check it out. If you go over there, please let them know that Smelling Roses sent you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. As always, I really appreciate the support of my channel, and I'll see you guys along the trail.